Hi, so I'm going to show you guys how to use each scraper. It's more advanced and better in finding winning products for your e-commerce or dropshipping store, Shopify store. But at first I tested it. What I could say is just this is where I find hot products that I used to show you guys on YouTube for your dropshipping store. So it comes in different it has a pricing, it's not free. It's not free, you pay a pricing fee for it. And it comes in different module. If you want to analyze a store, if you want to pick a product, whether from AliExpress, Shopify, Amazon, or if you want to monitor an ad. So as you can see here, your scraper, let's say you're tired of going on AliExpress to find products that you're not sure is going to convert or you're not sure about the past analytics of the product. You can use this tool and filter it by at least score categories, subcategories, total orders, and the price of the product. Although I've already exited my free script, so to use unlimited access, I need to upgrade to Pro, which I'll do later. I can also find product based off Shopify store, because of the analysis, and also through Amazon. In most cases, people don't really use through Amazon, most of the time. What they use is mostly AliExpress and Shopify. Because once you get a product on AliExpress, you need to Shopify to resell it and not Amazon because Amazon is a company, is a brand on their own. And when you're selling on Amazon, you also have a cost for shipping and everything, which is kind of like more expensive unless you're selling it on your own store. And here is like the website owner gives you hand-picked products on his own, whereby the product they've tested by themselves and found to be converting well. They give you the targeting, the profit, the competition, everything A to Z. You just need to buy and you just need to pick it and start reselling on your dropshipping store. Another feature that they have that is actually cool is store analysis. Store analysis. So like they analyze top stores for I think year, past 365 days of stores, the traffic, the orders, the ads they are running, everything, the profit and revenue they are gaining from the store, which they kind of like give to we guys on their website based off the analysis they put from the website that's been running. So like regardless of any store you are, although these stores are somehow kind of like limited because they limit this niche scraper from accessing some of their best selling products, which I've noticed when I was doing store analysis research. I noticed it, like for example, Gymshark. I noticed that Gymshark limited people, like so that people cannot just so that we dropshippers cannot just copy their product and start reselling their best selling products. So I think that's like kind of the cons related to it. But regardless of that, the product is pretty much good and cool. The product is pretty much good and cool. And if you really need it if you are in the dropshipping space, so this is like I should count it as one of the tools you need, including CD dropshipping. So with the CD dropshipping and with CD dropshipping and this, you can be able to make anything. Just come here, find the hot product, analyze it well, check every competitors, check the competition, set up a Facebook ad account or Google ad account and run your ads to the product and make sales almost instantly. Although you don't even need to do any A/B testing because this product have proven to be tested very well. That's proven to be tested by past advertisers on social media platforms. It's got now tons of product you can pick from, which makes it a mind blowing product. So yeah, that's it for this video.